Hey, hi, this is Sheila. I'm doing a fashion designing course at Dresses. I'm an accountant. I'm working as an accountant. Like before Corona, I thought let me start up the business. Then when I was thinking about the business, I my core interest was in fashion designing. So I thought doing some course before doing any business, because doing like knowing nothing and start business, it won't work out. So when I was searching, I came to know about the dresses. I read the reviews. That is before 2 years before Corona. Then after like last year, I thought let me join. I took work from home. There was an option for work from home. Then I thought let me join the course and do something, learn something before starting up anything. So then I started looking forward. I met Suraj and Varsha. It's like, it's been a year. Basically, I had an idea, but I don't know about the stitching, and I was not aware of anything about stitching. So I started from the scratch. Now I can able to stitch dress or blouse. That is the confidence I gained from the dresses, especially Suraj sir. He taught me very clearly from the basic, and asking many doubts, and like he cleared all the doubts, and picking up. I'm really proud to say I can stitch something I want. So I'm little confident also to start the business. Looking forward to it. Thank you, sir.